What's up guys, and welcome to the battery drain test of the OnePlus 6 up against the best that we have in the market. So we've got the iPhone 10, the Galaxy S9 Plus, the Huawei P20 Pro, the OnePlus 5T from last year. Obviously a lot of people want to see how it will stack up against its previous version because this is still one of the best phones to go for. And also we have the Google Pixel 2 XL. So as always, all the phones are charged up to full 100% and the brightness has been set to an optimal level. The only connection we have on these phones is the Wi-Fi network. This test will be based on your real life usage, meaning what you use on daily basis will be implemented here on this test. We'll start off with the social media stage, which will consist of Facebook and Instagram. Then we'll move to music playback, then YouTube, then gaming, and then at the end we'll do camera usage till death. The timer phone of today's video will be the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, so thank you for joining. Time to disconnect the cables. Alright guys, the test has now officially started. Kicking things off from the Instagram because that's what we use when we wake up. So before I begin, I want you to like this video because this takes hours and hours of recording. So I will really appreciate your like and kick back, relax, and as always, I will see you on the other side. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see, the last phone standing is the Huawei P20 Pro. It's the first time ever that a Huawei phone has won the battery drain game, so I mean, it makes sense. This phone was the strongest on paper with a 4,000 mAh battery. Huawei has done the right optimization and this phone wins the test. So here are the final results of each phone. I gotta say, OnePlus 6, I was expecting it to be better than OnePlus 5T, but 5T still kicks ass. It is coming at the second position right behind the Huawei P20 Pro. Still pretty impressive. I kept it pretty clean and that's why I performed really good in this test. OnePlus 6 again, still a pretty impressive result. The iPhone 10 came on the last number. The Pixel 2 XL did really good despite having Android P up and running. Decent score for the last year's Google flagship. Again, we'll be waiting for the Pixel 3. But yeah, currently Huawei P20 Pro wins this game, and OnePlus 6 again a decent phone battery-wise. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this battery drain test in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because this took 8 hours something, and you can see it's still going on, still on and running. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.